You might receive many notifications on your WhatsApp and you want to mute some of them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can mute notifications from individual WhatsApp chat. Before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more WhatsApp tips like this. Without further ado, let me jump to my phone and let me show you how you can mute your WhatsApp chat notification. Let's go. First of all, open up your WhatsApp app, then click on any chat, right? Let's just start with group. I got this testing only group, click on it, and then you just click on the picture itself, click on that, and then you can see here notifications, click on notifications. So you can mute all notification, always, 8 hours or 1 week. Sometimes I just put always, all right? And when you put always, there's an option for you to mute all mention. Now this option is only available if you are muting group chats. But if you're muting individual chats, you won't see this mute all mentions. And then if you want to unmute it, just have to click on this and then click on unmute. So yeah, so that's how easily you can mute or unmute WhatsApp chat notification. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.